Welcome, in this video we are going to learn sshellnoob exploitation tool in Linux. Writing shell code has always been super fun, but some parts are extremely boring and error prone. Focus only on the fun part and use sshellnoob. Features: convert shell code between different formats and sources. Formats currently supported is M, bin, hex, object, exe, C, Python, Ruby Rails, Pretty, safesm, complete text, shellstorm. All details in formats description section. Interactive ASM to OP code conversion mode. This is useful when you cannot use specific bytes in the shell code and you want to figure out if a specific assembly instruction will cause problems. Support for both ATT and Intel syntax. Check the -Intel switch. Support for 32 and 64-bit mashing. Resolves system call numbers, constant and error numbers, portable and easily deployable. In place development, you run sshellnoob directly on the target architecture. Built-in support for Linux x86 and 64, ARM, FreeBSD, prepend breakpoint option, read from std-in, write to std-out support. User cheap debugging. Use sshellnoob as a Python module in your script. Verbose mode shows the low-level steps of the conversion. Extra plugins. Open up terminal, type git clone https github.com/sshellnoob.git. Here cloning into sshellnoob. Cloning is done. Type ls to view all the files and directories. Here we can see that sshellnoob directory. Let's change directory to sshellnoob. Type cd space sshellnoob. Type ls. Here you can see that executed Python file shellcode.py and test.py. Let's install sshellnoob. Python shellnoob.py space -- install. Here you can see that installation is success. Type snoob space -h. Here you can see that basic usage of sshellnoob tool. Snoob --input, input file path, to output, output file path, and so on. Let's start in interactive mode, that is -i, in ASM to opcode mode, that is -20-asm. Type python shellnoob.py -i-to-asm. Here we see that interactive mode for sshellnoob tool. So that's it in this video on sshellnoob exploitation tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.